Good morning, students. Today we will solve the exercise 3.3 with these formulas. From question number 11 to 20 we will use these formulas, and these formulas are addition and subtraction formulas. Now student, sin of a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Now student, you have to learn these formulas. These are very important formulas. Without you using these formulas, you can't solve the exercise. And proof is also there. First of all, I want to tell you how you will learn this formula. I want to tell you something about these formulas. So sin of a plus b is sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Now how you will remember this formula? So I want to giving you some tips, memory tips is there. Now sin a plus b, sin is S stands for that, suppose it's sun. So you know that sun is there. So sun wants some confidence. So cos is there. Cos means boss. So sin are taking the help with the cos, means sun is taking the help with boss. S for sun and cos means boss. So he is taking the help with cos. So that's why sin a plus b, sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b, means sun is taking the help with boss. So this is the memory tips how you can learn these formulas. Sin a cos b and plus is there, so plus cos a sin b. Similarly here sin of a minus b. So S means sun wants to some help with both. Then sin a into cos b minus is there. So minus cos a into sin b. So this is the memory tip. By this memory tip you can learn the formula of these two. So very simple it is. Sin of a plus b. So sin wants some help with both. So sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Similarly sin of a minus b. Then as sin is sun wants some help with cos. So sin a cos b, sin is here minus, then minus cos a sin b. So this is the memory tip to learn this formula sin a plus b. Similarly the next formula, that is cos a plus b and cos a minus b. So again I am giving you some memory tip to learn this formula. So cos means boss. So no need anyone for sun, cos is boss, so it will come alone. So it will come cos a cos b. Minus means he don't want to take the help with sun, so minus. He is subtracting this, means he is leaving the sun, so minus sin a into sin b. After that cos a minus b. Cos means boss, so it will come alone. Cos a cos b, and boss is more dangerous, so it will change the sign. Minus sign change with plus sign. So plus sin a into sin b. So this is the memory tip. By this you can learn these formulas. Now you can learn very easily sin of a minus b. That is, it will not come alone, so it will come with cos or means boss. So it will come sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Similarly, in the form of sin of a minus b or sin of a plus b. If minus is there, then at the center minus will come. If the plus is there, then at the center plus will come. So these two formula you can learn very easily. Now next one, cos is also same, cos a plus b and cos a minus b. Now cos is boss, so it will come alone. So therefore cos a into cos b, and here plus sign, so it will change the sign because it is very dangerous. Because cos is boss, so that's why minus sin a into sin b. And cos of a minus b is cos a cos b. Then it will subtracting the help of this sun. Suppose some plus, it will change the sign because it is dangerous. So plus sin a into sin b. Similarly, you can learn this formula. These two are very easy to learn. This is tan of a plus b. Then tan a plus tan b denominator. It will change the sign here in denominator, that is 1 minus tan a into tan b. Similarly tan of a plus b is this one, and tan of a minus b, tan a minus plus b. You know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. So cot of a plus b will come cot a into cot b minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a. And cot of a minus b, that is equal to cot a into cot b plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. Now proof is also there, but we will solve. You have to learn these formulas because proof will not ask. That is not deleted portion. Now we will solve the questions according to these formulas. Now one more formula is there, that is sin square a minus sin square b. Next formula, sin square a minus sin square b, that is equal to sin square a, and formula sin square a minus sin square b. This formula is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Now student, this is, you know that the a plus b into a minus b. So sin square a minus sin square b is sin of a plus b. So how it is coming? See here, we are taking the sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. We are taking the right hand side. After that, now you know that sin of a plus b. Just now I told you what is sin of a plus b. So sin means s means sun. So he wants some help. So cos will come along with this sin. So it will come sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Is it clear? Now after that, sin of a minus b, again s means sun. He wants some help. So it means the cos will come along. Cos means cos. So it will come here sin a cos b. Here sin is minus. So at the center minus will come here. Sin a cos b minus cos a into sin b. After that, students, we will open the bracket, this one, sin a cos b. It is formula a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square. So we are applying here sin square a into cos square b, because this is a plus b and a minus b. So a square is coming here. Now b square with formula is a plus b into a minus b. So minus will come here. Cos square a into sin square b. Now student, we know the value of cos square b, or we know the value of sin square a. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we will change this term in sin. So what is the value of cos square b? That is 1 minus sin square b minus here cos square a. So we will change this term in sin. So 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. After that, we will open the bracket. So sin square a minus sin square b, sin square a into sin square b minus sin square b. Now minus minus plus sin square a into sin square b. So after that, this term will cancel because one term is negative and second is positive. Both are same term, only difference is minus sign. So what is left, student? Sin square a minus sin square b. So this is the formula. So this is the proof of this formula, that is sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin square a plus b into sin of a minus b. Now next formula is in the form of cos, that is cos square a minus cos square b. Now we will use this formula, cos square a into cos square b. Now students, next formula is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. So this is the next formula, question number 10. So I am telling you the proof of this formula also. Now what is how we can write this cos square a plus b into cos how it is coming. So let us see here. Now cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, and you know the formula of cos a plus b. You know that cos is boss, so it will come along. So what is the formula? Cos a into cos b, and he is subtracting the sun, that is minus sin a into sin b. This is the memory tip, only how you will learn this formula. Cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Here plus is coming, so sign will change because cos is dangerous, so it will change the sign. Now next one is cos of a minus b. So what will come here? It will come cos a cos b. It will come along and it will change the sign plus sin a sin b. After that we will apply the formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. So it will come here cos square a into cos square b minus sin square a into sin square b. So now after this cos square a, what is the formula of cos square b? Change this term into sin, so it will come 1 minus sin square b minus sin square a is 1 minus cos square b into sin square b as it is. After that open the bracket, cos square a minus cos square a into sin square b minus sin square b minus minus plus cos square b into sin square b. Here sin square a 1 minus cos square a. So cos square a into sin square b. So this term is cancelled because one is negative, second is positive. So what is remaining here? Cos square a minus sin square b. So that is the RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Now our formula is verified. Now students, in this way you have to learn these formulas. Without these formulas you can't solve the trigonometry. So learn these formulas through verification or by memory tips. Now start the question number 11 from exercise 3.3. Question number 11. Open your books, students. Keep your books. Now the question is, prove that. You can see the question from NCERT book. Open your book. The question number 11 is, prove that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x into cos of minus, not into, or minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. This is the question number 11 from your NCERT book. Open your books and see this question. Now let us start the solution of this question. Now solution is take, now this is LHS and this is RHS. Which formula, which term, which side we can take for proving? You can see here, we can't take this side because this is minus root 2 sin x, but we can take this side because we know the formula of cos c plus cos d or cos of a plus b. Two formulas you can apply here. You can apply the formula cos c minus cos d or minus root 2 sin x. So let us solve this formula by cos a plus cos b. So LHS is equal to, I will tell this question with also the formula of cos c minus cos d. First of all we are applying here cos a plus b. So cos a plus b, cos 3 pi by 4 cos a into cos b minus, now you learn the formula sin a into sin b. After that minus cos a minus b, cos a into cos b plus sin will change plus sin a into formula also. How you can apply here? First we are solving with AB formulas. Now after this, what is the value of no students? To go for the quadrant, pi minus pi by 4. Pi means 180. So it is going for 180 minus something. Means it is 0 to 90. First quadrant you know that 90 to 180. That is second quadrant of pi minus something. So it is going in the second quadrant, and you know that cos in second quadrant is negative. So what will come here? It will come minus cos pi by 4 into cos x and minus sin 180 minus theta. That is second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So sin pi by 4 into sin x as it is minus cos 180 minus theta. Cos in second quadrant, that is negative. So what will come here? Minus cos pi by 4. After that cos x plus sin 180 minus theta. Second quadrant it will come sin pi by 4 into sin x. After that you can see here what is the value of cos pi by 4. Now you know that this term minus is already here, minus is there. Now after that you know that cos of minus theta is cos theta, so it will come positive, cos positive, so cos pi by 4. What is pi by 4? That is 1 by root 2 into cos x minus 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so 1 by root 2 into sin x, and here minus minus plus cos pi by 1 by root 2 minus here minus will come because this is minus cos theta, and minus cos theta is plus cos theta, so minus 1 by root 2 cos x minus sin pi by 4, multiply this minus sign here, so sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 into sin x. In next term this term will cancel. In next step what is coming here? It is coming here minus 1 by root 2 sin x minus 1 by root 2 sin x. So after solving this it will come minus 2 upon root 2 sin x. In next term we can write this minus root 2 sin x, and this is the right hand side. This is the right hand side. So this is the solution of question number 11th. Now students, now I am coming with the new formulas, that is transformation of a sum or product into CD formulas. First you learned about the AB formulas, now CD formulas are there. Now sin C plus sin D, that is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. You know that sin S, that is sun, and that will come with the cos, that is cos, that is 2 sin C plus D upon 2 coming with cos C minus D by 2. Later after that I will tell you the proof. First of all learn the tips how you will remember these formulas. Now sin C minus sin D, that is 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. Now here plus sign, so plus sign plus sign will come, and in minus sign sin C in minus sin D, then cos will come first because cos is boss, so 2 cos C minus D upon 2 into sin C plus C minus C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. Here plus. After that cos C plus cos D, in cos C plus cos D, the sign, this sign will come alone. It will come cos C plus cos D, cos will come alone. That is 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D by 2. In cos C minus cos D, so that is boss, so that is rejecting the sign sun, or rejecting the sun, that is minus is coming here, minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Or after that we can adjust this minus sign here is equal to minus is adjusting here, so we can write this formula as 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d. We can write after adjusting sin d minus c by 2. Remember this formula. The formula is cos c minus cos d, that is minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d by 2. After that we are adjusting this minus sign, so 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus d by 2. Now after that I am telling you the proof. I am telling you the proof of first one, and same way you can solve the proof of second, third and fourth. So let us see the proof of first one. By same method you can find out the proof of, you can solve the second, third and fourth. So in first sin c plus sin d, let a plus b as a c. We are making that formula sin of a plus b. You know that sin a plus b and sin a minus b. That's we are taking here a plus b as c and a minus b as a d. After that by adding what will come here, you can see here c plus d, add these two terms. So left hand side adding left hand side, right hand side and right hand side. So c plus d is equal to a plus b plus a minus b. So it will come 2a. So what is the value of a? The value of a is coming here c plus d by 2. After that we will put this value of a and b. Now after that by subtracting what will come here? Subtract these two terms, c minus d equal to a plus b and minus a minus b. So it will come here a plus b minus a plus b. So a is cancelled. What is coming here? 2b. So what is the value of b? The value of b is coming here c minus d by 2. After this c minus d by 2. So we are writing here value of a is c plus d by 2 and value of b is c minus d by 2. We will use these formulas. We will use these values in the formula. So let us see after that. After finding the value of a and b, what is the next step? So in the place of this c, we can write here a plus b plus sin. In the place of d, we can write here a minus 1 b. Now students, you know the formula of sin a plus b. That is, what is the formula? Sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b plus sin a minus b. Now you know about this formula by the memory trick, that is sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. After that open the bracket. After opening the bracket, this term cos a sin b minus cos a sin b cancel. So what is this students? It will come sin a into cos b plus sin a into cos b. Now what will come here? Again I am telling you, after opening the bracket, this term plus and minus same term. So plus minus term will cancel. It will come twice of sin a into cos b. Now students, we will put the value of that a. What is the value of a? That is a is equal to c plus d by 2. So put the value of a here, c plus d by 2 into cos. What is the value of b? That is c minus d by 2. So this is the proof of the formulas. Now this is is the proof of first formula. Similarly, you can solve the second, third and fourth by same method. Then you can find out the formula. Now students, we will start the exercise. Exercise question number 11. Now first I told you that 11th question with AB formulas. Now I will tell you that 11th question with CD formulas. Now it means you can solve 11th question by both the formulas, by AB and by CD. So let us see same question with CD formulas. Now question was, that is 11th question was cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x. It was the question 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x and minus root 2 sin x. Just now I told this question with the help of AB formula. Now see this solution with the help of CD formula. Now let us start the solution. We know the CD formula. We know what is formula cos C minus cos D. What is the formula of cos C minus cos D? I told you cos is boss, so single term will come. So cos separate the sun terms or that rejecting the sun only. So it will come minus 2 sin. It is rejecting the sun. Sun is that sign. Minus 2 sin A plus C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Or I told you, or this formula we can write in this way, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into adjusting this minus sign, so it will come D minus C by 2. Now we will apply this formula in the question. Left hand side, what is left hand side? That is cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. So apply the formula. What will come here after applying? It will come here, I am writing here, 2 sin C plus D. This is C and this is D. So it will come 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x upon 2. 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin, this one I am using sin D minus C. Now D minus C. Minus I am adjusting here, D is this one. 3 pi by 4 minus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x upon 2. Now students, after that solve the calculation. What will come here? After solving plus x minus x cancel, what is coming here? 2 sin 6 pi by 4. Here 2 by 1, so we can write here 1 by 2 into sin. Now this term is cancelled. 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 minus 2x upon 2 will come. Minus 2x upon 2 will come. After that 2 sin 3 pi by 4. So it will come into sin minus 2x upon 2, that is x. So after that it will come, we can write this minus x is also here, minus x. Now 2 sin 3 pi by 4, we can write here pi minus pi by 4 into sin of minus x. After that, what is coming here? I am writing here after this step 2 sin 180 minus theta. It is in second quadrant. 180 minus theta. You know that 180 up to 180 second quadrant. 180 minus theta. It means it is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. So sin pi by 4 into what is there? Sin of minus x. In next can solve the question by two methods, by AB formula or by CD formula.